Okay, guys, to confirm a couple things here, let's start up here. The height of the cabinets with the countertop, what my drawings show, should be the same height as your current kitchen cabinets, but I'll confirm that with the stone, and I'm assuming that's a 2 cm or 3/4 inch thick granite that's going on there. This question here, want wood top stained on cabinets flush with top of crown. So if I'm taking that clearly, you want the height of these cabinets, number 3 and 4, to be the same height as the crown molding above the window. Design-wise, I think it would look better to have the cabinets a little bit taller than the crown molding, not the same height. That's typical to stagger it with designers, but if that's what you want, we can do that. But we would have to lower the height of these cabinets, obviously. And then once we've got this approved and things being fabricated, we can coordinate the electrical. This question here, are cabinets starting from opposing corners and stopping 6 inches from window casing side? So these cabinets are 4.5 inches. The sides, the left side of this cabinet, right side of this cabinet, are 4.5 inches away from the window trim. Different measurements because of this cabinet is on or against a wall on the right side. This cabinet, both sides are finished. So there's a you can see the D here, that means an applied panel. So there's a 3/4 inch applied panel on both sides of this cabinet, which is why it shows 26 inches wide, and the other side does not have that 3/4 inch panel, and that's why it's 3/4 of an inch bigger. The top drawers are staying. The 2 bottom doors have been changed to drawers, or to doors rather. So this is the bottom cabinet, and it'll have rollouts behind them. And a typical rollout height is 3.5 inches. These are 8, but it's 3.5 inches, so we could put, with these being 8, mind if this cabinet was only 3.5 inches tall, we could put the hinge right here. But it doesn't work to put a hinge in the middle of the door and one at the very top. The hinges need to be closer to the top and bottom. But what we've done here is made the drawers 1 inch and 15/16 less, so we can space out the drawers, bring the rollout away from the inside of the cabinet, so there's room for the hinge. Here, let's go back to for the hinge right here, because we have to have space for that hinge to clear. But you would open these doors, 2 rollouts, and those rollouts are rollout front. The width of them will be about 23 inches, and they'll be 21 inches deep. And the overall height is 8. So from the bottom of the drawer to the top of the rollout, you'll have about 7.25 inches. And these are, let's see, let me check the depth. Yeah, these are only 18 deep. So these drawer boxes, the inside of the rollout will be 14 inches deep, not 21. Because the cabinet box is only 18, and then the drawer, the rollout is 15 from very front to back, but the inside is 14 deep. Want doors with pull-outs like the kitchen cabinets. Yep, that's what we just went over. Leave the top drawer. Yep. So top drawers on both of them. Why are these different widths? We answered that because the applied panels. What is this measurement? Oh, that's the interior height of the cabinet. That really doesn't make any difference. That's from the inside height of the cabinet. Top drawer with door and pull-out shelf below. Yeah, okay, so you cross that out. And then these upper cabinets here, that's the depth of these cabinets are 12 deep. But this shelf will be, let's see here, 12. The shelf itself will be 10 3/4, no, 11.5 inches deep from the front of the shelf to the back. And this is that applied panel, that 3/4 applied panel that I'm talking about on the side here. The one against the slider wall, there's no need for that. That's why we've picked up an additional 3/4 of an inch. Hope that helps. My 2 cents, I would leave these uppers just a little bit taller, maybe 3-4 inches taller than the top of that crown molding. Let me know what you think. Thank you.